If you're trying to choose between the NutriBullet Personal Blender and the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, this is not one of those reviews where I tell you both are great and leave you confused. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your lifestyle and which one you should avoid. Let's start with what actually matters: real performance. On paper, the difference looks small. 600 watts on the NutriBullet, 700 watts on the Ninja Fit. But in real use, that extra power changes everything. The NutriBullet is built for consistency. It takes fruits, vegetables, and liquids and turns them into smooth, drinkable blends with very little effort. It's designed for people who want something reliable every single morning. The Ninja Fit, on the other hand, feels more aggressive. That 700-watt motor combined with pulse technology gives it a sharper, more forceful blend. You notice it immediately when you add frozen fruit or ice. Where the NutriBullet slightly struggles and needs more time, the Ninja pushes through faster and breaks things down more completely. So if your routine includes frozen smoothies or protein shakes with ice, this is where the Ninja starts pulling ahead. Now let's talk about control, something most people overlook. The NutriBullet uses a twist and lock system. You push the cup down, twist, and it keeps blending. Simple, almost effortless. But here's the trade-off. You don't have much control over the texture while it's running. Once it starts, it keeps going until you stop it. The Ninja Fit uses a pulse system instead. You press down to blend, release to stop. That small difference gives you much more control. You can pulse for chunkier textures or hold longer for smoother blends. It may seem like a minor detail, but if you care about how your smoothies turn out, this actually matters a lot. Next, let's look at everyday usability, not just features but how these feel to live with. The NutriBullet is clearly designed for simplicity. One cup, one motion, minimal thinking. It's the kind of blender you use when you're half awake in the morning and just want your smoothie done. The Ninja Fit feels more practical for real-life variety. You get 2 cups instead of 1. 2 lids. More flexibility. If you're sharing or just don't want to keep washing the same cup, this makes a difference over time. It's one of those things you don't think about before buying, but notice immediately after. Now let's talk about what most reviews don't explain properly: blending style. The NutriBullet is tuned for smoothness. It focuses on breaking ingredients down into a consistent, creamy texture. That's why it works so well for fruits and leafy greens. It's less about brute force and more about refinement. The Ninja Fit is different. It's not just blending, it's crushing. Ice frozen fruit, tougher ingredients, it handles them more confidently. So instead of asking which is better, the real question is this: do you want smoother blends, or do you want stronger blending? Cleaning is easy on both, and there's no real winner here. Twist off the blades, rinse, or use the dishwasher. Both are built for convenience. So this won't be the deciding factor. Now let's bring everything together. If your priority is simplicity, consistency, and smooth everyday smoothies, the NutriBullet is going to feel easier and more natural to use. It's built for routine. But if your priority is power, flexibility, and better performance with frozen ingredients, then the Ninja Fit is the smarter choice. Simply does more. So here's the honest conclusion. For beginners or daily smoothie drinkers who want something effortless, go with the NutriBullet. For anyone who wants stronger performance, more control, and better value overall, the Ninja Fit is the better investment. If you want to check current prices or see which one is on sale, you'll find both links in the description below.